1 minute later, and our macaroni is ready. So today we are going to be making macaroni and cheese, very easy and quick. So these are the ingredients we are going to need for our macaroni and cheese: milk, paprika, black pepper, our butter, cheese, and macaroni and cheese. Okay, so this, my baby just came back from school and she's craving for macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
And I'm like, let me make a quick macaroni for her. So let me show you how I make my quick macaroni. Okay, all right, it's very quick and easy. So we are going to pour two cups of water.
Yeah, 2 cups of water. And into the pot. Okay.
And 2 cups of milk. I don't want to use milk all through because it's gonna be too much for my babies. So I mix water and milk. So I'm going to pour, right now I'm going to pour my macaroni.
And yummy. Can I mix?
All right, Serena, you want to mix?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and mix too. All right, my baby wants to help in the cooking process, so I'll just let her mix it a little bit. I'm going to cover it this way so that the water is not going to overflow. Okay, so you can see I put it on the medium heat.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave it for probably 5 to 7 minutes.
Yes.
Then we check it again.
Can I help you?
I want to make sure I check my macaroni every 2 minutes and stirring it occasionally. Looking good. So here is what we got after 7 minutes. As you can see, the milk and water is almost dried off, but it's still not tender the way I want it, so I'm going to leave it a little bit more and continue stirring. Once it's tender to my taste, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So right now it's tender and soft, see? So I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients now. So it doesn't really matter how you add it, just add everything at once. I'm just going to add everything, all the ingredients at once. My black pepper. Okay, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Paprika. my cheese and butter, because I don't want too much cheese. I just use the size I needed. So you can add more cheese if you're a cheese lover. I don't really care for cheese like that, and my kids don't as well, so because of allergies. So I'm going to add very little water at the bottom of my pan, just like this on the side, because I'm going to leave all the ingredients for like 1 minute on the stove so that everything can simmer, and you know, you got it, yes, so that our macaroni is not gonna burn out. So that's the reason why I had little water at the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to cover it, let all the ingredients simmer for 1 minute before I turn off my stove.